Now this is absolutely beautiful. This is the brand new model, Toyota Land Cruiser Invincible specification. This is the first one we've ever had in this specification in a colour called Decuma Grey. It's only got 3,000 miles on a 74 registration, but the styling of it, the huge boulders and the arches there, this one's got the 20-inch upgraded alloy wheels. This colour is amazing. The 2.8 diesel engine with an 8-speed gearbox. The Invincible gives you everything, but for me, personally, I think the Invincible has the over and above extra off-road capabilities. It's got the rectangular headlights if you look at the front now, because a lot of the first editions come with a halo headlights, and I think this one certainly looks fantastic. On a 74 registration, it's physical, it's available. The car comes with all the specification you'll ever need, including heads-up display. For them headlights, how cool is that? They're just in line with the front grille. You've got everything, front rear parking sensors, headlight washers. But like I said, to get one that's physical, that's available, I've done my research and I'm sure you will do yours. There's a couple on the website, but I don't think they're available, because whenever my clients get in touch with me, they tell me that they've either just been sold or they're just not available for months on end. This one is here, it's available, under manufacturer's warranty, front rear parking sensors, that beautiful off-road look. It's amazing. Front rear parking sensors, and the mud flaps even. This car also has a style pack as well. It's then got the detachable Towbar from the factory, sun protection glass, black mirror cap covers, roof rails, tilt and sliding panoramic roof, side steps, and then look at the interior. Full black leather interior. You've then got the cool box under the centre armrest, the JBL Sound system, that huge touchscreen infotainment screen, and then you have heated seats, ventilated seats, and heated steering wheel. The new interior on the Land Cruiser for me is absolutely fantastic. You know exactly what you're getting for your money, the reliability. It'll start every single day. It'll drive in water, out water, on road, everything. It is also a 7-seater, so you've got practicality, you've got spec, you've got space, you've got ground clearance. Most recently, you've got a bit of snow. A car like this will just literally eat all that, no problem. Round the back, you've got the newer style to the LED rear lighting system. The black badging continues. Window access is just there. And then to get into the boot, you literally pull the handle on here, and then automatically that will lift up. There's a tow bar. If you're not going to use a 7-seat, you can see how much space you have got. Got a massive boot there. So again, no excuses. In the back, you have lots of space for all your friends and family. Legroom, headroom. But if I get in and show you quickly, because then you've got third zone climate control. The rear passengers also get heated seats and ventilated seats. You've got charging ports down below, that huge panoramic glass roof, front airbags, side airbags, rear airbags, and the finish on this car, the leather and the door cards and everything else, just feels real good, top quality, premium materials. Now as a driver, you want the best driving position. You've got the grab handles there, electric seats, electric folding mirrors, windows, and the memory seats just there. Push button start, all the switches are here fully filled. There's adaptive cruise control, stereo controls are here. Your 360 camera system just above in that dash. And then you have the different driving modes. Remember, this has a brilliant body on sachet sort of thing going on, and that's a fantastic thing on its own. Wireless charging pad. There's a cool box down below, twin cup holders. It's just got everything. Then you've got things like the ClearSight rear view mirror. This tilts and slides all the way up as well. And I've mentioned the heads-up display already. This car really does have everything. For me, it's the colour as well. That Decuma Grey is a very nice colour. I haven't seen many at all. Do bear in mind, this is the first physical Invincible we have had here at Acklam Cars. If you're in the market for a Land Cruiser and you want something that's immediate collection, where you can literally pick the phone up, buy it and collect it and start enjoying it, then this is it on a 74 registration with only 3,000 miles on. My name's Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp on the number below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.